Hey everyone, this is David Pike, the MotorCity mechanic. Now in today's video, we're dealing with a Jeep Compass. The year range is going to be 2017 all the way up to 2026. And what I'm showing you is how to get the shifter out of park if you have any kind of electrical issue or something that prevents the shifter from moving. There is a secret hidden override button that you need to depress to get it to move. And that's what I'm going to be doing, is showing you where it is and what you can use to help depress that button to get it to move. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Now most cars have a little hidden access panel either around the shifter or on the side of the console that you might find a plastic plug that you would just need to pop open and then reach inside with something to depress the override. This one doesn't have it. So what they have you do is actually pull up on the boot and the bezel assembly and it'll pop loose. Now one thing I want you to kind of resist from doing is grabbing a trim stick and trying to get in here to pop it up, because previously it appears someone else had tried that and now the nice little chrome bezel has broke loose. So what we're going to do is, as per the service information, we're just going to grab on the boot and then we're going to pull up. So just grab on both sides, wiggle and pop it up. Now we can actually kind of position it towards the front of the console so that we can get access to this location right here. Both the owner's manual and service manual say to insert a screwdriver here, but not everybody has a screwdriver. So we need something to go in this plus shaped hole, and we're going to insert it and it's just going to depress lightly. So there's something that you probably have with the vehicle that will work, and that's what I'm going to show you. Now some of you may or may not know that inside your remote here is a skeleton key or valet key. That's this little silver shiny little thing right here. If you press this lever to the side, you actually pull it out. That is your way of opening the door if you got a dead battery. So again, this is already in the vehicle and this fits perfect in that little hole there. So that's what we're going to be using. Now I want to say this again, be careful, because again we're taking it out of park into neutral. The vehicle will roll. Make sure you got your foot on the brake or you got the wheels blocked. One of the two things, so that way we don't have to worry about you hurting yourself, somebody else, or damaging the vehicle. Once you've done that, again, grab your key. You can either insert it this way or you can insert it this way. It doesn't really matter. And you're going to notice that you really almost feels like you're not moving anything. But once you put it in there, it maybe moves maybe a 1/16 of an inch. Not a lot, but that is enough for the override to release and let the shifter move. Let me show you. And just to confirm, the shifter is still in park. It's not coming out. Grab the key, insert it in the hole, press down gently. And now we've got reverse, we've got neutral. And to go back, you're going to press on the handle here and go forward. Again, we're back in park. And once we're done using the override, all we got to do is grab the shifter bezel and boot, line it back up, and press it down around the perimeter until it snaps in place. And we're finished. As you saw in the video, the procedure is pretty cut and dry once you know where the override location is. Plus, who has a pocket screwdriver on them. Now you know how to use your key to actually access the override. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up on YouTube. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you like to shop on Amazon, which everybody does, if you scroll down into the description of this video, there is a link. Click on that link and make that your Amazon homepage. That way, anything that you buy will help support this channel. So once again, everybody, thanks for watching.